Good day, students. I hope you all are having a wonderful time with your family and see to it that you all are studying as well. So, today, here I am once again with another new topic, a collage. Students, a collage means assembling different colors, textures, shapes, and materials to create a new concept. This is the image of the two artists, Braque and Picasso. Children, the term collage comes from the French word coller or to glue. The movement itself emerged under the artists named Braque and Picasso, who began working with various mediums to create innovative collection around 1910. There are many types of collage art that anyone from early childhood to adulthood can do. Now let us see the different type of collage. The first one is the photo collage. These are the most popular types of collage. They are put together through use of photos and sticking them to one surface. These can be created in so many ways. You may decide you want to cut out the faces only or use nature photos. There really is no limit to what you can do. Second one, magazine collage. Magazine collages are made from random things in magazines. They can be cut out or ripped and then stuck on a common surface. One of the most popular means is to make a new person out of different body parts found in a magazine. Magazines can be replaced with newspapers to give a different feel and look. The next one is the fabric collage. Fabric collage are very different to the first two I talked about because this is the one does not involve pictures already on the material. Instead, you create the picture with the fabric. The fabric can be cut into many shapes and stuck down on a surface. Paint collage. The easiest type of paint collage is to paint another sheet of paper with colored dye, but only one color. When painting with the sheet, you have to spread the color so you can get 3 different shades of that color and let it dry. Once dried, you can tear or cut the paper into any size you wish and glue it down to a surface. The next one is a collage with wood. Wood collage is almost the same as any other collage, only you use different types of wood rather than the other mediums to create your piece. The next one is the digital collage. It is exactly the same thing as any other pictured collages, except there is no real hands-on work. It is all done on electronic devices. The next one is the decoupage. This is a technique of using cutouts of paper, linoleum, plastic or other flat materials, gluing them to a surface and covering them with varnish. The next one is the three-dimensional collage. 3D collage art is placing 3D items on a surface and creating something new. Some items that can be used are rocks, beads, coins, buttons, sticks, new and old objects. Next one is the rainbow fish collage. Here not only fish, but one can make any shapes from fruits to animals to vegetables, types of transport, etc. Things needed: white card paper, sketch pens, colorful craft papers, glue, scissors, etc. The next one is the family tree collage. Children, here you can draw a tree and paste pictures of your family members. The last and not the least is the leaf collage. In leaf collage, you can use different dried and fresh leaves and prepare the collage. Children, I have introduced to you all with different types of collage. Now, let us have a look to what is given in the text. Children, this collage is about Swami Vivekananda and it consists of his picture along with some information about him and the inspirational quotes by him. Students, hope I have made this chapter more interesting and colorful for you all by introducing n numbers of collage. Get inspired and see you all soon. Thank you. Take care.